The Earth's climate is experiencing destabilization, and our planet's ability to sustain life as we know it is in crisis. Humanists must join others in leading efforts to reduce human activities causing climate change to ecologically sustainable levels. Whereas human-generated greenhouse gas emissions from fossil fuel combustion, exacerbated by unsustainable land use such as deforestation, are leading cause of climate change. Deforestation and wildfire also suppression are making forests more vulnerable to fire and reducing the ability of forests to sequester and store carbon. Glaciers melting at heightened rates have been and resulting in rise areas of sea levels, threatening coastal populations and ocean ecology. Global warming has contributed directly and indirectly to the loss of biodiversity and the destruction of critical biomes. Whereas the corollaries of these same changes appear to cause shifts in precipitation, resulting in droughts around the globe, and the increase in other extreme weather events like tsunamis and hurricanes, leading to food insecurity and famine, and decreased access to natural resources like potable water. And climate change impacts everyone. Already vulnerable populations globally will be disproportionately affected, exacerbating unemployment, displacement, and homelessness. Drastic global climate change is a challenge facing all populations around the world. Therefore, be it resolved. In the pursuit of climate justice affirms its supports for the development and proliferation of renewable sources of energy and fuel, particularly wind and solar. It supports of sustainable land use, forest conservation and reforestation, and its support for personal and commercial transition towards a plant-based diet. Its support for the validation of climate refugee status that access to clean and affordable water is necessary and important. To support for a coordinated global effort to manage and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. As humanists, it is crucial that we recognize that the responsibility to create and maintain sustainable methods of living is a collective one. As humanists, we acknowledge the damage done to our environment has been caused by human action and constitutes an existential threat to humanity and many other species that have not already been wiped out. We understand that only humans can save ourselves from the climate crisis we have created.